Hello guys, this is an correction tape engine. So this is how to use it. So this is a correction tape, right? This is a correction tape. So this is how to make it. First, you need a HBV Office 8 meters correction tape like this, like that. If you cannot buy, just find some. So let's put this. We need to align it, like timing the sound. Because if we don't time it, it will not work. So wait. We need to make it like perfectly aligned. Let's remove this. So you need to be perfectly aligned with this line right here, or any lines. Just only make it aligned like that, and then put your correction tape cover, or kaya clear cover, like that. So in order to make it work, so this is the results. So in order to make it work, because if we don't just blow it and make a sound, it will not work like this. So it's not gonna work. So you need to press this hard. Press this hard. This too, like that. And go. So it's like that. Bye.